Hello guys, I'm gonna show you how to reset the maintenance required that's blinking over there. It's showing that maintenance required. I have this Toyota Highlander, so I'm gonna show you how to reset the maintenance required. So right now, this odometer here, put into trip A, and then okay, then hold it. All right, and then let me just keep it hold and then turn it off. Just keep it hold it. Just keep it hold it, and then turn it on again. You will see that. All right. So now it's gone. The maintenance required is done. And now I just turn it on. The maintenance required is not showing anymore. Right here. You can do it by yourself, and you don't need to go to dealership, and that's it. So your problem is solved. Yeah, it's not showing anymore the maintenance required. All right, thank you guys for watching. I hope you like my video and helps to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.